Welcome to the Kew Gardens water fountain. We're here at Kew Gardens, and let me tell you, it's a tremendous place. You know, they've got this incredible water fountain right in the heart of Kew Gardens. I mean, folks, it's unbelievable. It really is.
Good day, sir. Quite a splendid night here at Kew Gardens. Wouldn't you say?
Oh, be quiet, Bob. I was just admiring the water fountain over there until you came here. It reminds me of a time when I tried to teach my pet goldfish synchronized swimming. Sir Goldie McFinsalot didn't quite get the memo.
Quite the entertaining anecdote, sir. Now, let's shift our attention to the water fountain.
Oh, fine.
Here at Kew Gardens during the nighttime, the way it's illuminated creates a magical ambience.
You know, Bob, you can communicate with the fountain using Morse code.
How does that even work?
The fountain is fluent in interpretative dance. Just look at the way it moves.
No, that's not right.
It interprets the Morse code and dances the information back.
Absolutely fascinating, sir. The night lighting does accentuate the beauty of the fountain. It's almost like a dance of colors in the dark.
Dance off, you say? I challenged the fountain to a Morse code battle. Little did it know, I countered it with a motion of fire so strong it ignited its soul. Water doesn't like ignited things. I left it soulless.
Wait, are you?
The lack of soul is what makes water fluid. I made it fluid.
Can we get back to the task?
Oh, definitely.
The ambience here is quite serene. The gentle glow from the lights and the sound of the water create a peaceful atmosphere. Have you ever considered a more serene approach to interacting with the fountain? Sir, this is where you come in.
I once tried to have a philosophical conversation with the fountain.
Oh no.
I tried to explain it the meaning of life. Turns out, it's more of a deep thinker than I expected. You see what I did there. Cause of the deep. And the water. With the fountain being, you know.
Let's just watch the fountain.
Yes, now you get it. Cue the music.
Oh, now there are two of us.
I'm watching the show.
I find it rather calming to just sit here and watch the water flow.
To discover the secret lives of water droplets,
Great, back on track.
we must head on in.
Yes. Wait, in where? Oh no, you go in. I am fine being dry.
You will miss out on the secrets to unlimited hydration.
Well, that's one way to look at it. But seriously, the fountain is majestic. It's surrounded by lush greenery and flowers.
It's a fountain of youth.
It's just water. Relax.
Then explain my de-aging process.
How is your voice so different?
It's the youth. Go try it.
All right, you're lost. Oh, I think my voice is still settling. I like this one. Bob, listen. It's like Mother Nature decided to upgrade her garden sprinkler system. Imagine if we had one of these in our backyard. Goodbye, boring lawn watering.
Also, goodbye lawn.
Bob, why are you soaking wet?
I tried out the youth you spoke of,
When?
like 10 minutes ago.
And?
All I got was some fish and pneumonia. And my phone won't turn on.
Well, why would you go into the fountain dope? And why did you take your phone with you? You think it would turn into a Nokia brick and drag you down to the bottom of the fountain. The fountain's only like a meter deep, you know.
No, the rules are simple shut. Very true.
You know, Bob, I've seen a lot of fountains in my time. And let me tell you, this one, it's tremendous, absolutely tremendous. The best fountain you've ever seen.
Sure. It's great. But what do you mean, tremendous?
Bob, you wouldn't believe how many world leaders have called me asking for advice on fountains. They all want one like this. Believe me, it's a fountain that demands respect.
No one comes to you about fountains. You aren't a fountain expert.
Oh, I'm more than an expert, Bob. I'm a visionary. I'm a genius. Imagine this fountain with a gold-plated rim. Under the pipes, you get some serious power gains. Think engine swaps, forced induction, and performance tuning. It's all about making that horsepower number climb like there's no tomorrow. And you better believe we're gonna talk about torque. Because it's not just about the speed. It's about the push that slams the water high into the sky when you activate it.